Today on Forbes, America's most successful small caps, the little-known companies powering the AI revolution. In March of 2024, Dell Technologies launched its so-called AI factory with NVIDIA, combining Dell's servers and networking power with NVIDIA's semiconductors and software to produce AI-driven products for other enterprises. While Dell's stock has grown fourfold since early 2023 due to its AI focus, behind the scenes, a little-known company called TSS Inc. has been a much bigger winner. Dell named TSS a quote-unquote first-choice partner for data center integration in September of 2023. By October 2024, TSS, whose market cap was only $10 million in September of 2023, signed a multi-year deal with Dell to integrate AI-enabled server racks. As of early November, TSS is valued at $440 million, with shares up 6,000% since early last year. The company's revenues nearly tripled last year and grew 410% in the first half of 2025. Its critical, higher-margin rack integration segment involves constructing, wiring, and installing cooling plumbing systems for complex servers. Peter Woodward, TSS's chairman, says, quote, "Everybody asks about why our OEM customer doesn't either do this themselves or acquire us, and the answer is pretty simple. They're very happy with the service they're getting today." Woodward expects to grow TSS's capacity to be able to serve other customers as well, eyeing cloud service providers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Oracle. Thanks to Dell, TSS earned the #1 spot on Forbes' 2025 ranking of America's most successful small-cap companies. To come up with the 100 best small-cap stocks, Forbes analyzed about 1,400 companies with market caps between $300 million and $5 billion. Ken Farsalis, portfolio manager of the Oberweis Small Cap Opportunities Fund, which has $1.7 billion in assets, says, quote, "We believe AI will disproportionately benefit small-cap businesses because they're more nimble, and they'll be better able to adapt and implement AI workflows. Large-cap companies are fat and lazy and loaded with bureaucracy. For them, it's like turning an oil tanker in a river." For investors looking for small-cap names directly linked to the AI revolution with more customer diversification than TSS, there are more than a dozen to choose from on Forbes' list. The fourth-ranked firm on the list, Inodata, a $2 billion market cap data engineering firm in Richfield Park, New Jersey, is the fourth-ranked small cap on Forbes' list linked to the AI revolution. Under the leadership of CEO Jack Abuhoff since 1997, the firm has seen a significant boost from the AI revolution. The company's core business involves processing and supplying large volumes of data to major tech firms, which is essential for training their AI models. Inodata's $228 million in 12-month sales have doubled year over year, netting $43 million in profit, with 5 of the so-called Magnificent Seven tech giants as customers. Shares are up 2,000% since early 2023, and analysts suggest Meta's $29 billion valuation deal for a 49% stake in competitor Scale AI could drive Meta to look to other options like Inodata for their data needs. The top 20 on the list also include industrial power providers Power Solutions International, Argon, Graham Corp, and Powell Industries, whose stocks have all soared from providing the energy infrastructure for data centers. Growth investors could also look at Amprius Technologies, a battery manufacturer based in Fremont, California, focused on drones and robotics, as an interesting prospect for growth investors. After going public via a SPAC merger in September of 2022, the company initially lost 93% of its value by September of 2024. However, it has since staged a dramatic comeback, recouping all losses with a 1,500% gain as of early November, despite recording only $33 million in revenue over the last year. This performance earned it the 82nd spot on the list. Similarly, Ondas Holdings, a Boston-based drone maker, achieved the 79th spot. Despite having just $16 million in 12-month sales, a 600% increase in its stock price over the last year has propelled its market capitalization to $1.5 billion. For full coverage and to see the whole list, check out Hank Tucker's piece on Forbes.com. This is John Palmer from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.